Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the problem local disk D is missing in Windows 10. So here in this PC I am having only local disk C and disk D is not there. So I will be showing you how to solve this. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to just right click on start and select the disk management option over here. And you will be getting that disk management dialog box and it will be showing you initialize disk over here. And in this just select MBR and click on OK. And so here you can see I'm having about 900 GB of disk drive unallocated, and that is the reason why my local disk D is not appearing. So what you are doing now is just click or right click on it and you will be getting an option called as new simple volume. Just select it and just click on next, and here it will ask you to specify your local disk D volume over here. So at first it will show you the entire volume. So as you saw there, my unallocated disk size was 900 GB and it is appearing in 900,000. That is because it's showing in MB and not in GB. So I'll just edit it and change it to 500,000, which is technically I guess 500 GB in size. Okay, and I will just click on next. And here it will ask you to assign drive letter or path. Okay, so we are naming it as local disk D. Actually we can name any alphabet from A to Z. So it's asking me to assign the path, and if I just click on the drop down, you can see so many alphabets are there. I will just select D. You can select whatever you want, and I will just click on next over here, and I will just have it a default value. NTFS is fine, file system format, and I will just click on next again, and that's it. I have now completed. And if I just click on finish, here you can see I'm having new volume D over there, and also I'm getting a pop-up at the bottom. And if I just now go to this PC option, here you can see I'm having new volume D, which is about 500 GB in size. And that's it for this video. I hope you would have found this useful. Please subscribe me, Minds of Programming channel to check other videos. Thank you.